First, measure the entire room. Wall by wall. I use minus to mark inside corners, and plus to mark outside corners. The easiest way is to start from one wall, and go all the way around until cover the entire room. This way your baseboards will be in order after you start cutting them. After cutting everything, it's time to hammer the old nails down. Starting by putting the baseboards against the wall, to check it fits perfectly. If you cut everything in order, these should be an easy task. If everything fits perfectly, it's time to install. I use 1.5 inch nails to hold baseboards in place. I use a finish nail gun to secure outside corners more precisely. After that, you just need to caulk the top and the joints of the baseboard, and that's it.